Poster one up. 肉夹馍. Nice. Now people should know what we sell. Should put the other one up as well, so the picture doesn't look so lonely. Still waiting on the guy to come and fix the fridge. He said he was gonna come here around lunchtime yesterday, then called up saying that he'll come in the next day, early morning. Now it's about 11 o'clock in the morning and he's still not fucking here. He's on his way right now, apparently. I'm so sick of fucking these people just wasting our fucking time. Changing things up again. Just a little corner of a kitchen. Got another gas stove, a taller one. So 3 gas stoves. Don't know what's wrong with the fridge. They fixed it and then the temperature dropped down to 5 degrees, which is good. Now it's back up at 16 and it's continuing to go up. Look at this fucking freezer. 21.5 degrees. What the fuck? Just fix today. Fucking sick of this fucking bullshit. $23 fucking degrees. I'm so fucking shit of this. Fucking dicking around with all this bullshit. Fucking hell. Going through all this fucking depression, anger, this roller coaster ride, this fucking restaurant. I wonder if that dickhead is gonna show up today to fix our fridge. He's supposed to come today, but who the fuck knows? He's coming all the way from Bangkok, which is like 200,000 kilometers away. It's gonna take him like 2 years to get here. Fuck him. I wonder if the fucking cop face is gonna show up today, fix the fucking fridge, cause can't do very much without a fridge. Can't keep shit cool. Can't buy vegetables, can't buy things and keep them fresh. Have to buy them daily, which that way is not very efficient. Yeah. Fucking Thai workers can't do shit. The spring onions, gotten rotten already. Just got them yesterday. Probably actually better to just keep the vegetables out of the fridge. Can't even use the fucking fridge as a cupboard. It's probably warmer than outside. It's raining nowadays. It's pretty cool out here. So bored. So just bought a bunch of veggies and keeping them outside because it's better than the fucking fridge. And anybody who comes here, just give them free food. Nice red from the chilies. Seems like the fridges are good now. Fixed it yesterday and it's still cool. 4 degrees. 4 degrees right now. Still, it's fluctuating a lot, like between 4 and 14, but I think that's part of it. Just not use so much power. But yeah, at least that hopefully is over. It's like basically a wasted week messing around with this fridge. Ooh. Gonna do some preparation. Gonna do a lot of preparation today. Okay. I think I gotta go buy some flour first. Bread. It's the main thing. One of the main things people come to shop for. It's the bread I make. So it's probably one of the most profitable things as well. Buy one of these for about 40 baht and makes about 20 or so what do you call buns. They sell them for like 15 baht each. So that's like 300 or so baht. So hungry right now. Gonna make myself a cup of noodles with my bread. So put the bread to rest, the yeast mixture. I'll be back in like half an hour. My instant noodles. Breakfast. Gotta get started for the day. Keep walking back and forth, back and forth. Keep forgetting what I'm gonna do. Remember now, I'm gonna make some noodles. Get this water. A couple cups of flour. Oh shit. Oh man. And little bit of salt. Running out of salt here. So humid. Look at the salt. It's like clumpy. I'll just use the rest of it. Mix it all together. And then I'm gonna add some water, little by little. Flour's all crumbly. Add a little bit more water, sprinkled on. So it's kind of like a buttery consistency. I don't know what buttery means. It's like this. Add a little bit of more water, and then I'm gonna knead it into like a dough. Now it's just a kind of a ball. So I'm gonna put this. Oh, but it's not big enough. Flatten a little. Didn't fit. Under a bowl for a moment. Now my bread is awake. So I'm gonna start making the dough. The dough's starting to come together. Keep adding more flour. And now we got the dough. Time to knead it a bit. Knead it, so just oil, cover, leave it for a while. Knead the noodles a little bit. It should come out nice and smooth. Trying to organize this fridge. No idea how to organize it right now. Drinks, that's all fine. But I have no idea what's going on. Oh shit, I left it a bit too long. Oh, it's a bit full now. Gotta roll this out. All the bread. How many do we have here? Fucking flies everywhere. All in this corner. Okay, now bread is done. Or prepared. Let's move on back to the noodles. Baking the buns. Rolling noodles. Back to making noodles. Just had customers before. Customers keep coming in. And I never get a chance to make these noodles. Got some noodles into the pot. Oh, I don't think there's enough water. Out comes the noodles. It's good. The noodles are a little small. It's a problem when I have two concepts in mind. making ban mian. It's like a, but then also 热干面. 热干面 should be bigger noodles. And I made ban mian noodles.